Hello everyone, welcome back, and you're watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change Apple Store country from anywhere in the world. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, we have to launch Settings app and tap on your profile name. Under Apple ID, we have to tap on Media and Purchase. A menu will appear and we have to tap on View Account. On that page, maybe Apple ID password required. Now under Accounts, we have to tap on Country and Region. And tap again, Change Country or Region. Under Country or Region, we have to select our destination. If you want to change the App Store country, you can select any one of these, like United States, UK, Australia. Let me show you. If I'm selecting Pakistan, the same thing that we have to do with the United States, and we have to tap on Agree. Tap Agree. Now we have to fill the form, complete form. Street address, city, postcode, and especially the phone number. After completing this form, we have to tap on Next or tap on Done. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.